Sustainability. It isn't something that happens in some lush remote forest. It's a growing responsibility across the automotive aftermarket to reduce the carbon dioxide that every company is emitting while continuing to pack unprecedented levels of innovation into every new part manufactured. And it's a growing concern in the minds of consumers that are investing in hybrid vehicles, electric cars, or even just asking, is the part you're using to fix my car sustainable? But what does sustainability even mean for the counter professional faced with finding the right balance of quality, performance, and value? We have that answer and more sustainability insight on this episode of Taking Stock of Sustainability. Let's start with the basics. Aftermarket parts and component manufacturers are measuring the carbon footprint of what it takes to produce and deliver their parts, from sourcing raw materials and manufacturing processes to parts packaging and transportation. If you add up all of the emissions that are created from that end-to-end process, you have the starting point for how to reduce emissions. Then manufacturers have to create their plan for decarbonization, which is just a big fancy word for reducing emissions. That's right. Producing the part that you slide across the counter to your customers without producing emissions. Schaeffler, for example, aims to achieve climate neutrality across production and supply chain by 2030 and 2040, respectively. So how are they going to do it? And more importantly, what does that mean for you, the counter pro, helping select and source the right parts for the right repairs? To start with, Schaeffler established 7 sustainability targets that include a climate-neutral supply chain, climate-neutral production, energy efficiency, renewable energy, women in top management, fresh water supply, and reduction of accident rates. These targets will help the company navigate down the road toward more sustainability. For you, the counter pro, it means understanding the value of a more sustainably produced part. Consumers are starting to value it, and you probably should too. So join us on the next Taking Stock of Sustainability, where we look at the value that goes into a sustainable part and how it reduces the environmental impact it has. Thanks for watching.